Welcome to this standalone explainer on agentic reinforcement learning, the frontier of 2025 and 2026. Here, RL trains agents that search the web, run code, and use tools to get a job done. The big shift is that the reward now covers a whole sequence of actions, not a single answer. By the end, you will understand how one final reward is shared back across many steps and the hard open problems, like credit assignment, that make this the research frontier. Here is the plan. How an episode becomes a chain of tool calls, how a single final reward is shared across all of them, a worked example of a search and compute agent, and the open problems that define where the field is heading next. The intuition is to reward the whole job, not one reply. A single answer is now a whole sequence of actions. The agent searches, reads what came back, runs some code, and only then answers. We reward whether the entire task actually succeeded, and every step that helped gets to share in that final credit. It is teamwork, graded by the final result. Building directly on R1, models like Kimi K 1.5 in 2025 scaled verifiable reward reinforcement learning to very long contexts. The new target is whole agent trajectories, searching, running code, and using tools, all trained end-to-end. And because these episodes are long, teams built asynchronous training frameworks that separate answer generation from the learning updates to keep the hardware busy. The mechanism is not new, it is the same policy gradient from video 4, just over a much longer episode. One reward at the very end flows back across every action that led to it. And if you have per-step signals, like whether a tool call even succeeded, you can shape the reward along the way to make learning faster. So everything you have learned still applies. The only difference is that a trajectory is now think, act, observe, repeated many times instead of a single block of text. Let us watch a simple agent episode. The task, what is the capital's population? Doubled. Step 1, the agent searches for the capital of France and gets Paris. Step 2, it searches Paris's population and gets 2.1 million. Step 3, it runs code to double that. Step 4, it answers 4.2 million. A verifier checks the final number and it is correct, so the reward is 1. That single reward then flows back across all 4 tool calls, reinforcing the whole successful chain of search, compute, answer. Now the edge case that exposes the central difficulty. Same task, but this time the agent got a bit lucky. Step 2 was a useless detour. It searched for cat videos, but the agent still reached the right answer anyway. The reward for the whole episode is 1, so that useless detour gets reinforced right along with the useful steps. This is the credit assignment problem, and it is genuinely hard and genuinely open. When only the final outcome is rewarded, the model cannot easily tell which steps actually deserve the credit. Solving that cleanly is one of the big research questions in Agentic RL right now. Here is the full loop. Notice how it generalizes everything before it. Think, call a tool, observe the result, and eventually answer. Then learn from a verified outcome. The reasoning models of the last 2 videos are just the special case where the only tool is the model's own scratch paper. The honest frontier is a list of open problems. Agents still hack rewards by exploiting loopholes in the grader. Many valuable tasks have no clean verifier at all. RL tends to sharpen skills the model already has more than invent new ones. And long episodes are expensive, which is why so much engineering goes into asynchronous training. These are live questions, not settled answers. Does training on whole trajectories actually help? Yes, substantially. Simply prompting a capable model to use tools gets you part of the way. But training end-to-end on the outcome, Agentic RL, lifts task success far higher. Learning from real successes and failures beats hoping the model figures out tools on its own. If you remember one open problem from this video, make it this one. When an agent takes 10 actions and only the final outcome is rewarded, which of those 10 actions actually deserve the credit? The reward alone cannot say. That is credit assignment, and for long agent trajectories, it is genuinely unsolved. Better answers to that single question are likely to drive the next big jump in capable, reliable agents, so it is well worth watching. So, to sum up, Agentic RL rewards multi-step outcomes and shares credit back across tool calls, the same engine, over longer and longer episodes. The open challenges, reward hacking, non-verifiable tasks, and credit assignment are what define what comes next. In the final standalone video, we step back and compare all the methods so you know which to use and when. Thanks for watching.